writing workshop, thinking about the upcoming test and some of the writing assignments that you'll face. There are different kinds of writing assignments that you'll face, but anytime there's some lines after a question, that's a writing assignment. You know how long to write based on the number of lines. There are two kinds of writing assignments that give you several lines, like a page or more. And so in Writing Workshop, we're going to concentrate on those kinds of writing assignments. It's a writing prompt that you're given. And there's some things I'd like you to know about when you get ready to face these. First of all, the whole point of having writing on the upcoming test is so that you can show what you know about writing. The way that these questions are structured goes like this. You'll first be given a text to read, or perhaps a pair of texts. So this example is from Achieve the Core, and it's a 4th grade sample. And here's the second article that you would read. After you read the passage or the pair of texts, you'll then be given some questions to answer. These questions are to help you think deeply about the text. And then finally, you'll be faced with your writing assignment. Now, there will be several parts to read, and you'll need to read the assignment, and the first thing you decide is whether you're writing a story or not a story. Okay, guys, now I know that that's a lot to take in, but it's really nothing to be concerned about. You have spent all year becoming a stronger reader. You read text every day, and you answer questions and have discussions about the things that you read. And all year long, you've been becoming a stronger writer. Today, during Writing Workshop, let's take some time to go back and look at your writing and look at your notebook and remember what you know about being a strong writer. At the end of Writing Workshop, we can collect all the things you know on this chart. So here's my writer's notebook and folder. Today, you'll get yours out and you'll page through rereading what you've written and remembering what it means to be a strong writer. For example, when I come across this page, which is a plan for a story I wrote about my brother and I catching frogs during the summer, I'm reminded that to be a strong writer, I make a plan. That's something that we can add to our chart. Make a plan. As I flip through my writer's notebook some more, I come across this page where I reminded myself to write a waterfall lead. That's another thing I know about being a strong writer, is that we write strong leads. Let's add that to our chart. You'll also want to spend some time rereading the writing in your writing folder. Just pull out a draft and read it, remembering what you know about being a writer. For example, when I read this draft, the very first thing I start off with is character talking. I remember that that is something I know to do as a writer, so I add character talking to our chart. I think that you'll really have a good time in Writing Workshop today. It's always good to look and see how much we've grown as writers. Be ready to share what you know about writing. Also, if you come across some of your writing that you're really impressed by, bring that with you to share. You can read it to the class, and then we'll figure out what we know about strong writing to add to the chart. Happy writing, everyone!